Hey there, political enthusiasts! Today I am diving into the major changes happening within Zimbabwe's ruling party, Zanu PF. Buckle up, because there's a lot to unpack. First off, Zanu PF is undergoing a significant restructuring process. Thousands of supporters are responding positively, with a notable surge in new registrations. Harare province alone is aiming to register over 500,000 members. That's a huge leap from the previous 425,000 members. So what's driving this massive response? Well, the party's progressive policies seem to resonate strongly with the public. Plus, Zanu PF's open-door policy is attracting a diverse range of supporters, including many youths, especially from tertiary institutions. It's clear that the party is making a concerted effort to involve the younger generation. Now let's talk about the restructuring itself. Zanu PF's restructuring exercise is part of its constitutional mandate. The goal? To ensure an active and up-to-date database of its supporters. This isn't just about numbers, it's about creating a solid foundation for the party's future activities and strategies. President Emerson Mnangagwa has been vocal about the need for transparency and integrity during this process. He has urged party members to remain vigilant against any attempts to manipulate the restructuring efforts. Mnangagwa's message is clear. Collective vigilance is crucial to safeguard the party's unity and objectives. The restructuring isn't just a bureaucratic exercise, it's a strategic initiative aimed at revitalizing Zanu PF's organizational structure. The party is aligning itself with contemporary political challenges, aiming to enhance efficiency, promote inclusivity, and ensure robust representation at all levels. This weekend, the Zanu PF Harare province is expected to hold a cell restructuring exercise to accommodate new members. This initiative is part of the broader effort to ensure no one and no place is left behind. It's all about inclusivity and making sure every supporter has a voice. So what does this mean for the future of Zanu PF? With a more organized and inclusive structure, the party is positioning itself to better meet the needs of its supporters and address the political challenges ahead. The restructuring is a step towards a more dynamic and responsive political organization. In summary, Zanu PF's restructuring process is a significant move aimed at strengthening the party's foundation. With increased registrations, a focus on youth involvement, and a commitment to transparency, Zanu PF is gearing up for a more inclusive and effective future. If you're following Zimbabwean politics, this is definitely a development to watch. Thanks for tuning in and stay informed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on political changes and trends. Catch you next time.